Hi guys, here with your chapter 11 review. This lesson is really, this is like bullshit right here, some questions. Only real thing you need to know is how to use this baby, the calculator. So, all you need to do for this chapter is go to math, all the way to probability, go down to 5, okay? And for this, you're just going to type in the lowest number you want, which is in this case going to be 0. I'm just going to make up some numbers here. The highest number you want, which is going to be 9. Okay, then how many numbers you want? I want 50 of them, okay? 50 random numbers generated properly, okay? Boom, there's a whole bunch, just 50 one-digit numbers from 0 to 9. And then all I want to do from here, because I can't see all 50, no matter what I do like this, I have to just go to store and store it in L1. Okay? Boom, done. And you go to L1 and you'll see those exact numbers are all stored right there. You can scroll through them as you please. You can do whatever you want with them. And that's just how you view all the numbers. And if he needs you to generate one-digit numbers, then that's how you would do it. And if you need two-digit numbers, you do 0 through 99. You know, 2 digits. Not 100. 100 is 3 digits. And the reason why you don't go up to 10, you start at 0 and go to 9, is because 10 is 2 digits. And you need 10 numbers from 0 to 9, which is 10 numbers. So there's a couple different types of questions I've seen on the homework and the worksheet and stuff. The first kind would be like a placebo versus like the real chemical itself. And placebo versus real is simply saying, 50-50 chance, meaning you either get one or the other. There's not like any third option or whatever. You just either get a placebo or a real. So again, 50-50. And you do 0 through 4, 5 through 9. Again, remember, you're starting at 0, so you have to go to 4. That's 50. That's 5 numbers in between that. And you just set them as your placebo and your real. You go to your random numbers, and you say, just the first number, you just scroll through them, and you say, this one's real, this one's placebo, this one's real, this one's placebo, and you just count. So if you want to see that happen, the first number is 3, so that would be placebo, 2, placebo, placebo, real, placebo, you see, on and so forth. And you just go ahead and mark that down. Pretty simple. The next kind of question that you would need for one digit would be like a percentage question, like 60% of toys have like a special gift inside and 40% don't. So since you're at 40 and 60, with tens, you can just kind of pretend like the zeros don't exist and just start back down from 0 to 9, which makes it a lot easier because now it's just easier to do on your random number generator. So, 0 through 5 would represent the 60%, and the 6 through 9 represents the one that don't. So, do and don't. 60% and 40%. And you just, again, set it in, plug it into the calculator, scroll through that number. Okay? And the next kind of question you need is two-digit kind of questions. And this is simply another percentage question. It's actually the same thing, like percent of toys have special gift. And the only difference is, you'll notice that this is like 73 and this is 27, meaning that there's no 0 at the end, so you can't just go 0 through 9. You can't have decimals. So you just do 0 through 99. And again, 0 through 72, 73 through 79. Plug it in, that's the numbers you get, and just go through your random number generator and scroll through and assign them. And the last kind of question is an example from your homework that was supposed to be due tomorrow, but he decided to collect it today for no reason. Is that 1 dozen eggs, out of them, 3 are rotten. So how would you find a question like this? It asks you what's the probability of the egg that you pick being rotten. You just say 0 through 2 is the rotten eggs, 3 through 11 are the good eggs, because there's 12 eggs in 1 dozen, and you want to start from 0 to 11. And simply, you just assign those numbers, and you look through the random number generator, and in our example here, it's just chance that the first 3 eggs we would pick are all rotten. Only the 4th egg is not rotten. Yeah, kind of ruin your day. Then again, that's 0 through 9. This would be 3 through 11. So, pretty simple. You just assign different sets of numbers to your random number generator, to your random number stuff, and just work from there. And here's a couple of different things. If you can't, you should always try with one digit first. And if you can't do it with one digit, like in this question with 73, or in this question, which is like a specialty question, it's asking you for a small set of numbers, just move on to 2 digits. In this case, you can go from 0 to 11 because it's a very, very small section. It's not asking you for percentages or anything like that. Okay, so you do 2 digits in a case like this, 1 digit, and 1 digit in a case like that. And if you really need to, you can move on to 3 digits. Say they have like a 27.8% right there or something like that. So you can move on to 3 digits. Or if it says just 3 digits, like this case would be like 0 through 199. But if it says just 3-digit numbers, you just do 100 through 999 because 100 is the first 3-digit number. Same thing with just 2-digit numbers would be 10 through 99. Keep going up. You can do it 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers. You can do as many digits as you need because you have to remember there's an infinite number of digits. Okay, again, calculator is the more important part. Okay, I'll review that one more time for you guys. Okay, do math, probability. Oh, I keep doing that. 5, okay. Lowest number, comma, which is right here. Highest number, we're going to do 99 this time. And then how many numbers you want. So this one, I want 12 numbers because there's 12 dozen egg. Say I want 50 examples. Out of 50 toy boxes, how many are going to have the special gift? So I do 50. Right there. Alright, and you just press enter. You want to go to store, which is down here, in L1, second one, press enter, okay, stat, edit, and you'll see L1, random 2-digit numbers, and there happens to be exactly 50 of them, okay, so this will let me do my question like this easily without having to get one of those stupid charts out. And I don't know how he asks for work. I'm just assuming that when he asks for work for this kind of chapter, you just like write down the calculator steps or something. I don't know. It's one of those chapters that you can't like show work. But you know how he is. Alright guys, if you haven't followed the Instagram, it's just the Stats Messiah. I could spell it out right here if you really want me to. The Stats Messiah. Oh, I ran a space. Well, just the Stats Messiah. Again, follow it. I post something every time I make a new video, so if I don't text you or something like that, you'll be able to see the video anyways. I'll post it with a little link. Okay? Good luck on the test. Have a nice day. I don't know.